guys, what's up? Good morning. I'm getting ready. It's 8:18. Today's date is August 27th. Hopefully I have edited my curl box video and uploaded it before the end of August. But I am getting ready to use the Aunt Jackie's the grapeseed recipe. So first I'm going to wash my hair with the shampoo. And then I'm going to put in the leave-in conditioner, the Rescued. And then I will let you guys know what that is like. And then after I finish that, I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for probably, because I don't feel like sitting under the dryer, because I gotta sit under the dryer for my wash and go. So I'm gonna keep this in for about 20 minutes. It recommends 10 minutes under a hooded dryer. So I'm just gonna keep it on for 20 minutes. And I don't have any plastic caps, so I gotta use a Walmart bag, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this for about 20 minutes and then rinse it out. And then I'll let you guys know how both of these are. And then after that, we'll do a leave-in conditioner from a different line, because I don't have a leave-in conditioner from this line. And then we'll pair it with the grapeseed gel to see how that gel works on my hair, because I want to give my hair a break from being in twists. I've been rocking a twist out for 2 days, and it's time to wash this. So I will see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, see you in the next clip. I would not recommend this. I would not reach for this. Don't go for it. I mean, if you guys ask me, Meek, what's your honest opinion? Would you tell me to go buy this product if I saw it in the store? I would say no. I would say no. Sorry, Auntie Jackie, this one's a no for me. So next I'm gonna go in with the Rescued Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. And we're gonna see how that works. I do have a mirror over here because my lighting is terrible in here. Don't mind my messy kitchen. It's a hot mess. So I'm gonna go in with this, and then, well, let me just show you guys how it looks. I'm already getting hair in there. My hair is so dry. Okay, that's the consistency. It's pretty thick. So I'm just gonna go in with it. Ooh. This is restoring some moisture. I thought I was gonna have to put a lot of this. I don't even think I have to put a lot to restore it. Split in half. Ooh. This needs to be a leave-in. Oh my goodness, so creamy. I like this. This is good. This is a good, so maybe, you know, they strip everything out and then give you this to put it all back in there, making sure your hair is clean. So maybe there's a method to the madness of it. Oh yeah, I like this stuff. All right, y'all, I'll be back and I will tell you how it does, how my hair is feeling when I keep it in for 20 minutes. All right. Okay, so I have a Walmart bag or a Publix bag, whichever one it is, underneath, and then I have this to cover to trap in some heat. I'm gonna keep this on for about 20 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it out, and I will give you guys my thoughts on it as I am doing my leave-in. I'm using a leave-in from Aunt Jackie's, but not the Grapeseed line. And then I will use the gel from the Grapeseed line, and we'll just chit chat through that. But yeah, so I will let you guys know how it is. I definitely love the moisture that the deep conditioner put back into my hair, but I had to use a lot because that shampoo seriously stripped my hair. But I gotta go run and charge my battery while this is doing its juices, and you guys, so next clip you guys will see me in my office doing my hair. All right guys, bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I switched rooms because the lighting in my office just wouldn't allow for me to film in there, and it just was looking horrible. My skin is really dry on my face. But as you can see, I've done all of this, all of that. So that's all done. Hopefully you guys can see that. The lighting still isn't amazing in here, but it's gonna have to do. So I'm gonna speed through this. You guys have seen me do wash and goes before. I'm going to show you guys this section here because it's pretty much the same throughout. What I do once I add the oil and the moisturizer is I wet it a little bit, my water. It helps to activate the curls. Ow. Completely wetting my roll here. Okay, activates the curls. Comb it through. It's already curling up there. And then I'm just gonna go in. This is how much I've used already. But this is the Ice Curls from the same line. And I just go in with the gel. And I'll just grab it and start working on the roots and smooth it down. And this is just what I've been doing, smoothing it down. And then I'm going to take a little bit here and shingle it, because that's what works for my hair. So you take a little bit down, get a little bit more gel, and shingle. And this is what I do to get my wash and go. I will have a full wash and go video link down below, and I'll pop it up in one of the cards for you guys. And I will be doing more wash and go videos, but this is more of like a review, not a style wash and go. I'm just trying to see how this product works on my hair. I am gonna go sit under the dryer once I'm done. And I pretty much just keep shingling it through, making sure there's no frizz, making sure my edges lay down a little bit. And then that's it. Look at that. See how curly that is? We gotta keep our fingers crossed and pray to Jesus that Lord, it's gonna come out okay. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna work out. The wet line definitely tackles the frizz a little better right away, but going over this twice does seem to define the curls more. So I just grab it and go over it again if I need to. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do. So I'm gonna do that, and you guys will probably see me the next time, maybe in the car. I'll pop in a picture of me sitting under the dryer. But I probably will finish this video in the car once I go pick up my kids. So I'll see you guys next time on my cell phone. All right guys, bye. Okay, what up, y'all? I was gonna go and like throw on some makeup and get all cute and stuff, and I was like, psh, I ain't got time. I just blew dry my hair. I sat under the hooded dryer for a little bit, but then I was like, I gotta go. It's raining, it's gloomy outside, so I don't want the humidity to kind of get to me when my hair is wet. So I went ahead and pulled out my handy dandy blow dryer. And I just blow dried it in the going down motion like that, so I don't go up like this anymore because that like really promotes more shrinkage. But oh my goodness, I love my hair. It's really soft. I wasn't expecting it to be soft. It's a little frizzy, and that might be user error, but oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. I love my hair. It feels amazing. It smells good. I'll let you guys know if it's husband test approved when he comes home and gives me my big old hug and sugar, and he's like, your hair smells good, baby. But yes, Aunt Jackie's is a win for me. The only thing that I was like, was the shampoo. I don't know if I like the shampoo. It got my hair really, really clean though. But the deep conditioner did rescue my hair because it needed some rescuing after that shampoo. But after being in protective style for about 4 weeks, it was needed. So I'm sorry, my camera's all over the place. I'm using my phone because I gotta run out and go pick up the kids from school, and I just wanted to pop in and show you guys what this is looking like. It's about 90% dry. It's still a little wet on this side because this is the side that I did last. But other than that, it's perfect. So I will pineapple tonight, and I will update you guys on day 1, day 2. You'll probably see those before you actually see this video, and they'll be in my community post on YouTube, and I may post them on Instagram as well. I'm gonna try to keep posting on both. But yeah, I'm excited to be back filming. My hair feels good. All right, Auntie Jackie. It's a win. Oh, and then when I finished, I went in with the Shine Boss. Yes, honey. It's good. I like it. All right, y'all. If you've tried any of Aunt Jackie's products, let me know. Let me know what you guys think of it. Were you like, nah, it really worked for me? Just let me know. I'm hoping that I get at least 4 days. It's Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I need to get at least 5 days from this. I hope I don't have to redo my hair on Friday, but if I do have to redo my hair on Friday, I'll bring y'all along with that journey. But I need this to last until Sunday at least, cause yeah. But all right, y'all, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, good morning. This is the next day. I wanted to come on here really quick and tell you guys that my hair is dry. I had high hopes for the GrapeSeed line, but I mean, it went on great. It was fabulous. I put my scarf on at night to lay my edges down, and I was gonna wear my hair down because I didn't want to have to pull my hair, and I really didn't pull it. It's just in the ponytail, a really loose ponytail. So yeah, it's some parts it looks good. You know, some parts my curls are really fine. Other parts it's like really frizzy. You see that? Really frizzy, especially up front. It's really, really frizzy. It's dry. It feels like I don't have any gel on my hair. Like I know I saw some videos where girls were like, oh, you know, I have to break the gel cast. And I don't have that issue. Like I wanted that issue because I kind of like when I have a gel cast, like when it's hard and I can use my oil to break it. Now it could have been because I did put oil on my hair and then I put a moisturizer and then I put the gel, just because I didn't want my hair to be dry, and it's dry. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna rock this high puff today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna just do a co-wash and redo my hair, and I will probably more than likely use wet line and just, yeah, go from there. But I just wanted to let you guys know it did get dry. So probably my number one thing from the GrapeSeed collection is the deep conditioner. The deep conditioner is Yes, God. It's amazing. So check that out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys have tried this product. Did you have similar results? Did you have better results? We are at different kinds of hair. My hair is just extremely thick. So I have a lot of it. So it takes something, you know, really, really moisturizing, even in a gel aspect, to hold these curls together. So yeah, that's sad. My hair is really soft though. I mean, I can't complain about that. My hair is very moisturized. So that moisturizer that I use is amazing, along with the melanin hair care. And then that deep conditioner. So there's that part. And this high puff looks really cute, even though it's frizzy. But all right, y'all, I will see you guys in the next one. I'll check you guys later. Bye.